Dear students, today computer science class. Now we are going to start lesson number 1. The lesson topic is More on MS Windows 2007. What is the full form of MS? Yes, it's a Microsoft. Now we start the lesson. Introduction. MS Windows is an operating system. MS Windows is an operating system. An operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the computer hardware and the user. What is mean by hardware? Yes, physical parts is a hardware. What is the user? Who in front of the computer? That person is the user. So the operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the computer hardware and the user. It also manages the resources of computer and does many other things. In previous classes, you have learned to do different tasks in Windows. You do different operations on files and folders. You are also familiar with different applications in Windows such as Paint and MS Word. Let us learn some other features of Windows 7. Desktop background. Desktop background. Windows Desktop is the screen that appears when you switch on the computer. It is also known as the opening screen of Windows. The background picture of the Windows desktop is the desktop background. It is also known as wallpaper. Okay. You know about wallpaper? Yes. Every smartphone have a wallpaper option. You can change your own wallpaper like that in your computer. You can change your background picture or a wallpaper to your own choice. Now here all the icons on the desktop are actually present on the foreground of the desktop background. The desktop background is a colorful picture or a simple mono color screen. So you can set your background, it's a picture or a monocolor screen. Color means any colored screen. Now changing steps. Changing the desktop background. You have the option to change the desktop background and give a new look to your desktop. To change the desktop background, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalize option. A window appears. You can right click any empty area on your desktop. A pop-up menu will appear. Now you click the personalize option on the menu. Step 2. Click the desktop background option. A new window appears. Click the desktop background option. A new window appears. Step 3. Select any option from the picture location. For example, Windows background. Step 4. Choose the picture you want. You can adjust the position of your picture using picture position. Here you choose your own pictures. You can choose any pictures from this location. And then adjust the picture position. Here you can adjust the picture position. The picture position means the desktop picture where appear. It's the center of the screen or top of the screen or bottom of the screen, like that. Next one, step 5. Click the save changes button. Click the save changes button. Now your desktop was changed. The desktop background of your computer changes according to the selected options. Now Opening screen of a tablet. What is tablet? Yes, it's like a smartphone but size was bigger and the options are more. Okay, now I read. When you switch on a computer, the desktop appears. As you switch on a tablet, the opening screen of the tablet appears. As in a computer, the background picture of a tablet screen is also known as wallpaper. All the icons on the screen are present on the foreground of the background picture. Changing the background picture. You have learned how to change the desktop background on a PC. In the same way, you can change the background picture of a tablet screen and give a new look to the tablet. To change the background option, follow the given step. Step 1. Tap setting icon on the horizontal bar at the bottom of the tablet screen. Bottom of the tablet screen means here. A list appears. A new pop-up menu will appear. Step 2. Tap wallpaper option from the list. A new screen appear. The new screen means it's a new screen. Step 3. Tap wallpaper option. Tap wallpaper option. The wallpaper option is here. Step 4. Choose the wallpaper you want and tap set wallpaper option. Here some pictures are available, so you can choose any one here. Next one, last step, set wallpaper. Here is a set wallpaper option. You can click the set wallpaper option. What you select the picture, that picture was changing to your background. The background picture of the tablet changes according to the newly selected option. Now, screensaver. When your computer is left idle for some times, you notice some moving pictures or a graphics appears on the screen. When you change the position of moving or press any key on the keyboard, the desktop appears once again on the screen. These moving graphics are known as screensaver. Maximum you know that the screensaver. For few minutes you did not touch the keyboard or mouse anything. The monitor was automatically changed to the screensaver. Now how to set the screensaver to your desktop or a laptop, anything. Okay. Now the steps. There is an option to change the screensaver and choose the desired one for your computer. To change the screensaver, follow the given steps. Right click at any empty area on the desktop and click personalize option. So you right click anywhere on the desktop in empty place. A pop-up menu will appear. Now you click personalize option. Now you click personalize option. Step 2. Click the screensaver option. A new window appear. Click the screensaver option. A new window appears. A new window look like this. Step 3. Select any screensaver from the screensaver list box. Select any screensaver from the screensaver list box. So it's a screensaver list box. Now you can select any one. Now you can select any one. You can see the preview of a selected screensaver on the computer screen by clicking the preview button. So it's a preview button. You want to preview the screensaver means you click here. Step 4. Set the number of minutes in a wait box. This is the ideal time of a computer after which the screensaver starts. Here you can change the seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds. You can change any seconds or minutes. Step 5. Click the apply button. Click the apply button. Here, click the apply button. Step 6. Click OK button. Click OK button. Now your screensaver was set. So you can set 2 minutes mean your screensaver automatically change to 2 minutes after. Now we see how to change a screensaver. It's like your picture desktop. Now right click the personalize option and select the screensaver option. Screensaver option, and then your new menu will appear. Now you can click screensaver, here none, and then you select a list was appear. Here I select Burble option, preview. You click preview means here. So look at the Burble option. It's like your screensaver. After few minutes the screen was changed like this. And then here I want to change another. Now preview. So like this you can change anything. Thank you. We can